Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the animal keeper badge in Heartopia. The badge will look like this one, like this. And the method is actually very easy. All you need to do is feed 8 different wild animals in Heartopia using their favorite foods. And each animal has a specific favorite food. And here's the list. First, panda loves bamboo, and then apple, and then corn. And the capybara love tomato, and then there are grapes that I haven't fed it yet, and then it love raspberry, and then for the bunny love wheat, and then carrots and strawberry, and then for the fox love meat, and then European birds and largemouth bass. And then next, there are the other that love common prawn, and then oriental shrimps, and then mussel, and then for the ferret, love eggs, and sea bass and gobby fish, and then for the deer, love branch and lettuce, and then salad, and for the alpaca, for the last, love blueberry, and then pineapple and wheat, like that. After you successfully feed its animal at least one of its favorite foods, you will instantly receive the badge like before. And if you don't know how where to find the animals, don't worry, you can check the links in the description for its animal locations tutorial. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!